A water tank has the shape of an inverted circular cone with the base radius 4 cm and height 8 cm. If water is being pumped into the tank at the rate of 4 cm cube per second, find the rate at which the water level is rising when the water is 3 cm deep. Okay, the first thing I have to do is to draw a diagram. So let's just, they said a circular cone, inverted circular cone. So that's it, as like a bucket. So that's our bucket. The radius of the bucket is 4, so this is 4, while the height is 8. And okay, they said the rate at which the water is being pumped is, so dv over dt is 4. So that's the rate the water is being pumped. So as the water is pumped, as the water is entering inside to form, so at a particular level, let the height be h and the radius be r. So this is 98. So we have to find the rate at which, so we have to find the h over dt. That's the unknown, at the rate at which the water level is. So the first thing I have to know the volume. We know that the volume of this is a cone is always 1/3 base area. The base, that's pi r square h. That's the formula for the volume of a cone. And since we are asked to find the h over dt, so we have to write r in terms of h. What we asked to find is the h over dt. So we need to write r in terms of h. From this triangle, from similar triangle theorem, r over 4 is equal to h over 8 by similar triangle theorem, right triangle theorem, similar right triangle theorem. So from here, which implies that making r the subject of formula, we know is h over 2. So we need to substitute r as half h here. So I have 1/3 pi h over 2 squared h. So we have pi over 4, that's 2 squared is 4, that's pi over 12 h cube. And again, we are given dv over dt. So we need to relate dv over dt, dh over dt. So from here, we can get dv over dh. Yes, because the volume is now written in terms of h. So dv over dh is, we differentiate this, so 3 times that, this is pi over 4 h squared. Yes, from here you can see that dv over dh is the same as dv over dt times dt over dh. Yes, that's chain rule. Dv over dh is the same as dv over dt times dt over dh, which implies that if we make dh over dt the subject of formula, dh over dt will now be dv over dt divided by dv over dh. Yes, so we substitute dv over dt is 4 y dv over dh, 4 divided by pi over 4h squared is now equal to 16 over pi h squared. And they now ask us to, what was from here they say when the height is 3 cm deep, so when h is 3 implies that the h over dt will be equal to 16 over pi 3 squared. So our answer is 16 over 9 pi. So that's the answer. That is cm per second. So that's our answer, 16 over 9 pi cm per second. So this is just the application of differentiation. So thank you.